Hello. I wanted to do this video because I just got something in the mail that I thought was really funny, wasteful but funny. My company is locking down the security on our mobile phones, our iPhones. And so for the first time in a long time, I had to buy a new phone. And I thought, since I have to buy a new phone, I'm going to go with something different and get the top model because I haven't bought a phone in 15 years or 14 years. So I figured that I had kind of put all of that in the bank. How's that for rationalization? Anyway, as you can maybe tell, I got the new, we don't need to see my face in it. I got the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And so I'm going to turn it on. And it is kind of a scary phone only because it has so much glass. And I wanted to get a cover. I don't really go dropping my phone, so I didn't need some big, hefty cover. I just wanted something so the glass wouldn't get all scratched up. I got the Samsung, one of the Samsung smart covers, the one that you can see through. So what I wanted to do was show you. So here's the phone. I'm going to put that aside. It's a phone cover, folks. Just to be clear, it's a phone cover. This is the box it came in. It's a big, I have small hands, but still, this is a big box. And it came with all this bubble wrap, and that was like, okay, it's a phone case. And I take the bubble wrap out, and in the bottom of the box is, take that out too. In the bottom of the box is the case. So they put this on top of it, but there was nothing underneath it, which I just think that's funny. So I wanted to, I thought I'd do an unboxing. I've never done an unboxing. Why not? So here's the case. And it's purple because, as you can probably tell from the background, and maybe even from that, purple is my favorite color. I got a consumer cellular phone, so I couldn't get the new Iris purple one. But I was okay with that because I could get this case. So you take off the thing that shows you what it's going to look like when you put the case in, the phone in. And then let me just open this. Oh, I closed it too well. Sorry. Hold on. There you go. And then there's this plastic thing in this inside that shows you just how it works. And as you can see, it has the cutouts for the back of the phone. Obviously, I keep hearing a lot of folks saying it doesn't have protection for the bottom and the top of the phone, but I mean, it does for the top. It just doesn't for where the power and everything goes, but I'm okay with that. It's like that. I want to be able to get to those things, and I just don't use my phone that roughly. Oh, here's the little tab. So I'm going to take this off. Oh, come on. Come off. There you go. Come on. Seriously. This is going to be edited out, I think, because you don't need to see me fumbling around that much. I've got to stop trying to do things through the viewfinder on the camera, on the phone. So here it is. And it's, I don't know if you can see it. I'm doing this on the iPhone and it doesn't have as good a camera. It has a little magnet right here, but it's not a magnet that's going to mess up your phone. It's just a magnet that's going to help it keep closed. And it's recessed so it won't hurt the glass case. And it's just got this really, it's plastic. I understand it's plastic, but it's got a nice feel. So you just, oops, put the phone in. This is one of the reasons that I needed a case. This is all covered in glass, so it's very slippery. So I'm just going to put that in. And then it actually just recognized it. And look, that's what comes up. So when I open it, you won't, whoops, hold on. So you can see it there. But when I open it, that isn't actually what the lock screen looks like. That is. But that's what you can see. And I think also, yeah, if I had music playing, it would come up here so I could just do the everything that you need to do there. So I hope you enjoyed that. I don't generally post technical videos, and I don't know that I would call this a technical video. It was just so much packaging for that. But I'm happy I got it. It's kind of, I suppose it's because there's some technology in it that's done, you know, the magnet tells the phone when it's closed, so it shows that, but they're kind of expensive, but what can I say? It also, oh yeah, that's the other thing. So you open it, and then you open it that way, and then, I haven't tried this yet, so I'm sorry, this is not going to be all that, nothing I ever do is really all of that graceful, but it's got a little lip, see the little lip? And this fits into it, and once I get it set up and I'm not on a soft spot, there. So if I want to watch videos without having to have, or, you know, this would be very, very helpful if you're watching cooking videos while you're cooking. So there you go. That's the new Samsung cover.